Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Google Play gift card how to buy. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to buy your Google Play gift card, the first method that you can use is by Google. So to do is simply head over and open up your Play Store, then scroll down to the gift card section or search for Google Play gift card. Then simply choose the amount you want to buy, for example $10, $25 or $50. Then simply click on buy and complete the payment using your Google account. Now you can choose digital delivery, email or physical card delivery. Next method is buy from retail stores. You can buy Google Play gift cards physically at Walmart, Target or Best Buy, gas stations, convenience stores, supermarkets. Simply check the gift card section, then select a card with your desired amount, then pay at the cashier and keep the receipt. Next method that you can use is buy from online retailers. Many online retailers sell digital Google Play gift cards like Amazon, PayPal or eBay. Simply select the amount, pay online, and you'll receive the code via email. Make sure the card matches your country's Google Play account and keep the gift card code safe until you redeem it. Only purchase from a trusted source or website to avoid scams. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.